Keto bacon and kimchi deviled eggs. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Preparation time, 10 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients: 3 eggs, hard-boiled. 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon kimchi, chopped. 1 tablespoon bacon bits. Half a teaspoon light soy sauce. 2 teaspoons chopped spring onions. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds. Procedure: 1. Peel eggs and cut in half. Separate yolks from the whites. 2. Combine egg yolks, mayonnaise, kimchi, bacon bits, soy sauce, and spring onions in a bowl. Mix until well combined. 3. Spoon mixture into egg white halves. 4. Garnish with spring onions and sesame seeds. Nutritional information. Energy 339 kilocalories. Protein 20 grams 25%. Fat 26 grams 70%. Carbohydrates 4 grams 5%. Fiber 1 gram.